Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here's something that stuck me. I was recently demoing the Fuzen platform to a startup founder and he shared a story that honestly made me pause. He told me they had spent 8 full months and over $40,000 building their MVP. 8 months. And after all that effort, they found out that the customers didn't even care about half the features they built. I mean, imagine the frustration. But the crazy part, this isn't just some rare horror story. This happens all the time. Way too many SaaS founders are pouring months of energy, time, and money into building something that they're not even sure people want. And let's be honest, most of that time goes into fixing tech issues, dealing with bugs, waiting for developers, and building features that might not ever get used. This is the trap of traditional MVP building. You get stuck in code, you hire developers, you manage timelines, burn your runway into iterations, and then finally, after all that, you launch. But by then, the market has moved on, and you realize your assumptions were way off. And now you got a half baked product, a drained budget, and no clear way forward. It's exhausting, but it's completely avoidable. Now, here's the good news. It doesn't have to be like this anymore. No code platforms and now AI have completely flipped the script. You don't need to write code, you don't need to hire a big dev team. With tools like Fuzen, you can build your MVP using drag and drop tools, you can connect your database, you can create workflows, launch email automations, all without writing a single line of code. And it gets better. With AI in the mix, you can just describe what you want to build in plain English, and then AI takes that input and generates a structure for you. Then you can take the skeleton built by AI and use no-code tools to give some finishing touches. And I've seen this firsthand. Founders who used to struggle for months are now building testable MVPs in just a few days. You're no longer stuck building every little feature. You start small with just the essentials, and then you talk to users. And based on that feedback, you decide what to build next. And that's a realistic journey to get to a product market fit. You don't need to worry about building fancy onboarding systems. Just plug in an AI assistant to guide your users step by step. Payments, logins, dashboard, everything you need in an MVP can now be built with just a few clicks. Moreover, all the things that used to take weeks now just take hours, sometimes even minutes. So if you're trying to validate an idea, here's what I would suggest. Start with one clear sentence. What's the promise of your product? Then use Fuzen's AI agent to build a skeleton of your app. You can then add finishing touches and workflows using the no-code tools. So no fluff, just the core functionality. Then invite a few users, let them try it, see what they do, ask questions, use AI to analyze what's working and what's not. And then this part is the key. Make changes quickly. Don't wait for a big release. Just update the flow and push it live. That's the beauty of no-code. And within a few days, you'll know whether your idea has any legs or not. So you don't have to gamble away months and thousands of dollars just to find that out. I get it. Building software used to be hard, it used to be expensive, and for many of us, it was downright intimidating. But not anymore. No code and AI have made product building faster, cheaper, and honestly a lot more fun. So if tech challenges have been slowing you down, if you've been stuck waiting on developers or worried about blowing your budget, now this is the time to take control. You can build, you can validate, you can launch all without coding. So check out Fuzen if you want to give it a shot. We got free templates, AI tools, and everything you need to bring your idea to life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe before you go, and I'll see you in the next one.